Hey guys, happy new year. What up, it's your girl Miss Dallas back again with another video. First video to kick off the new year, January 2018. So basically I was going for a pretty simple everyday look with a twist. So I added some blue lips to it. You know, I'm just going for like a little boyish kind of relaxed look today. You know, I got on my hat, my sweatshirt, got on my jogging pants, gonna put on my sneakers, and yeah, so this is how I was feeling today. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this simple look with the pop of lip, of course, keep on watching. So I already moisturized and primed my face. Now I'm going to go in and I don't really color correct that much. So I'm just going to go in and start with my concealers under my eye. So I'm going to be using the MAC Select Moisture Cover in NW40 as well as the LA Go Pro Conceal and Toffee. So I'm going to use the MAC first. The MAC right now is a little bit darker than my skin tone, being that, you know, the weather has changed. So I normally like to blend this out first. So I'm just using a e.l.f. concealer brush. So now I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm going to be wearing a hat, so I'm not going to put any concealer on my forehead. So we're just going to use the same brush and brush it out. I find sometimes when you use a beauty blender, depending on the type of product that you're using, it tends to take up a lot of the product. So with the the LA Girl concealer, I rather use a brush and then go over it with the sponge just to push it more into the skin. Bring it down a little bit more. And then I'm going to take my damn beauty blender and just, as I was saying before, just push it into the skin. So now I'm going to go in and just set my under eye concealer. Well, I should say the places that I put the concealer. So I'm using my Black Opal finishing powder in the shade Medium. I'm going to now go in with Black Opal finishing powder again in the shade Light Medium. Ooh, powder everywhere. I'm going to be using my NYX finishing powder in the shade Sand with a powder brush. Go all over my face. Just a little bit of my forehead. Remember I told you guys I'm wearing a hat, so the whole of my forehead will be covered. And I'm going to go back into the powder and then dust away that powder. So it helps everything to seamlessly blend in. So now I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance blush in the shade Toasted Almond. It's a pretty, you know, warm, neutral color. And I'm just going in with an angled blush brush. Don't want too much because we're basically just going for a, you know, just nice, soft look. So I think that's enough. So now for the eyes. So because we're doing a pretty natural, simple look, I'm just going to go back into that same face powder that I put on with an eyeshadow brush and just put that on my eyelids. And with a blending brush, I'm going to go back into the same blush that I used for my cheeks and just put that in the crease. Perfect. So now just for a little bit of highlight, just to look, you know, like the sun kissed our face just a little bit, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. bronzing powder in the shade Warm Tan and a highlighting brush. Just dip a little bit and put it literally not too much. And you can just put just a little bit at the tip of your nose and down the bridge. A little bit at your cupid's bow. And a little bit on the chin. The excess that's already on the brush. So now I'm going to go in with the mascara. I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm just putting a little bit because, of course, as I said, we're trying to go with the, you know, pretty soft, natural look. So we don't want too much going on. Okay, and then for my brows, I'm just going to brush them up. And go in with my e.l.f. and just go in my brows with it to help set the hairs in place. So now, last but not least, the lips. I know it's a, you know, pretty much natural look, but we can also jazz it up a little bit when it comes to the lips. So I'm going to go in with a blue color. This is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Jet Set. So I'm going to have to look here because this is where my mirror is. I'm going to go in and outline my lips first. Okay, so this is pretty much it. I'm now going to set my face with my NYX Matte Finishing Spray. So I'm going to let this dry, and I'll be back with the final look. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. Just, you know, cute little boy girlish look, repping for New York City with my New York City sweater, my New York City hat, looking like a tourist or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna just braid my hair in two, just, you know, just simple, just make it look simple and like we didn't try too hard, but just with a little oomph to it. Alright, so I'm getting ready to hit these NYC streets and get some stuff done. So of course, thank you for watching. It's greatly appreciated. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. And once you click subscribe, don't forget to click the notification bell beside it so you'll be notified every time your girl drops a new video. And until the next time, of course, Gaga. And until the next time, guys, of course, peace. And I hope everyone has a very successful, loving, adventurous New Year. See you soon.